What's up everyone, Chris D here. Today I'm going to make tiramisu, an Italian dessert with coffee, cream and chocolate as its main element. And today I'm going to make it including with the Ladyfingers. I'm kinda excited because this is the first time I'm going to make it. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to make the Ladyfingers biscuit. We are going to need eggs, caster sugar, cake flour and baking powder. First, crack your egg and separate the yolk from the white. We are going to make a meringue from the egg white. You can use a hand whisk if you don't have a mixer. If you don't mind the extra work, of course. Whisk the egg while adding the sugar gradually after it foams up. We want a soft peak on the meringue, then lightly whisk the yolk, then add it to the meringue. And give it a gentle mixing as not to knock too much air from the meringue. Then add the shifted cake flour and fold them gently. Prepare your piping bag, transfer the mixture in, and pipe it on your baking tray. Remember, depends on the oven, the baking time will be different, and in my case, around 8 minutes was the ideal baking time. Then transfer it to a cookie tray and let it cool to room temperature. Then we are going to prepare the cream element. We are going to need mascarpone cheese, cream cheese, cream, cold coffee, and caster sugar. First, cream the mascarpone together with the cream cheese and make sure to let them in room temperature before proceeding, as this will make our progress easier. Then, add the sugar and mix until dissolved completely. Add the coffee liquid in and then the cream. Continue mixing them until it becomes airy, like this. Prepare any container of your choice, dip the Ladyfingers to the cold coffee liquid, and put it into the container. The amount of the Ladyfingers to include is up to your choice. And for me, I put it rounding like this. Then, transfer the cream mixture in, and these are going to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before consumption for best result. After that, take them out and decorate. Dust some cocoa powder, then scrape some of chocolate block. Top our tiramisu with it, and done. As usual, tasting time. My first impression is the coffee taste is strong on this one. In addition to the bittersweet taste from the cacao powder and the scraped chocolate, the combination of mascarpone, cream cheese, and the cream also make this tiramisu rich and smooth in taste. The homemade Ladyfingers also gave an additional texture, though I need some improvement on it, of course. Overall, this is a heavenly dessert, especially for the coffee lovers. So, that's it for today's video about tiramisu with homemade Ladyfingers. What do you think about it? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more contents. Like the video and share it with your family and friends if you find it useful. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.